Steps on the pavement, questions in the night. Every move I take, I'm searching for the light. Dark clouds test me, storms in the sky. Still I keep walking with fire in my eyes. Dreams on my shoulders, patience in my chest.